Alright, so I bought this Dragy, which you guys probably are pretty familiar with this. It links to your phone here. I got this phone attached coming from my sunroof. It's magnetic, so I can put it right here on my bracing. But long story short, about to mess with this thing. You open up the Dragy app and you connect it to the Dragy and it starts blinking. It's connecting to the satellites. So I'm on my way over to get some food, and I figured I would make a little bit of a video of just messing around with this little Dragy app. Hopefully I can get this thing to work, have a little bit of fun with it. I mean, I'm in full street mode with, you know, street tires and full exhaust, so I don't expect to go fast or whatever, but we're gonna go check it out. We'll go down here to the safe spot. We'll give them some hell on our way to pick our food up, so whatever. Be kind of a cool little you know, this will be like entry level for me here. I'll be able to take this video right here and put it into this video here. It's like a PIP thing, you know what I mean? So we'll do it a couple times, see what happens. Hopefully I don't put it in the ditch. Set our ship point to about 6,000. We'll see what it looks like. I know I'm probably gonna have to pedal the crap out of this car. Oh, look what's in front of me. That'd have been cool. I'd have got him on a Dragy on the video. There we go. Started getting a little crazy there in the 120, but I don't know how it shows me my oh, here we go. All right, so I don't think I really did too bad. Quarter mile, it goes by, the little performance report goes by 320 feet, which is a quarter mile. I went 60 foot in 156. 330, I went 523. 8th mile was 801 at 100 or 89. 1,000 foot was 1025 at 112, and quarter mile was 1203 at 129. So we did get up to about 130. That was pretty cool if you guys want to look at it. This is like a really neat little toy, because now I'm going to try to beat that number. I mean, the DA is like 3,000, 2,800 or whatever right now. I want to connect to it again, and we're going to go down. We're going to make one more pass. Probably do it in the same spot, but on the way back, we'll probably do it in the same spot. I just got to make sure I'm clear of all the, you know, all the traffic and such, you know, because I mean, if I'm being dumb in a car, I'm not going to be dumb in a car around people, because that's stupid. So I would never risk somebody's safety, you know. So we're going to run back to pretty much the same spot. Full street form, full wheels, full exhaust. It's only just at 10 pounds of boost. Stay tuned. We're gonna go. We're gonna ride down the street, make one more hit on this, and then we'll continue to mess around with it. We got something new to play with here. It's just too much. I don't have enough tire, I don't think. I'm not even full throttle into this thing. It's killing me. I don't even think with the a street drag radial would help it much. It's probably what I should go get, though. I should go get me a 315. I mean, look at my temperature. That's sick. I didn't move 1 degree. It went 150 the whole pull. Got up to 165, came back down to 150. Ethanol burns cold, so like when you're giving it all that heat and that boost, it actually helps it a lot, especially with boost. Sometimes after my tune, it gets, you know, the injectors, the motor gets loaded up, so sometimes the idle gets a little bit funny. But you know, we're actually, you know, we're tuning on binary editor here, which is quarter horse, and this is the old school tuning. Check out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing more, you know, more draggy videos. I got to be able to stick this tire to the street and hook it up on my draggy. So I'd like to bring that stuff to you. That's pretty cool content to show. You know, I think it is. Gotta go in there and give it more fuel or some timing or something. All right, let's see what we got here. That's all I got it. You got to go into your history. Let's go 8th mile runs, I guess. No, it's not showing that. Do I have to clear it? It's not showing it. We'll get better at it. I'll figure out some of the settings or whatever, but that is definitely a little shaky with street wheels and, you know, a full exhaust. I mean, I got up to about 130 miles an hour, and it was a little bit scary. I only got it on about 18 pounds here, but I mean, it is what it is. If I had a street drag radial or maybe even like a little slick on, it might have been helped, but even then, I mean, we're talking about pavement that's cold. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe on the way out. And there's a join button below if you want to check that out for the club membership. That helps the channel, you know, bring things like this to the channel. So outside of that, I appreciate the watch time. I'll see you guys soon.